how to download and install Microsoft Teams in your Windows computer. So, hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact methods on how you can get the Microsoft Teams for your Windows PC. So, in order to start, the first thing I want to do is specify the particular approach that I'll be taking. So basically, you can either use the Microsoft Store or any web browser in order to download the Microsoft Teams. So just follow these easy steps. First, let us fire up our Microsoft Store. That you can do so by tapping onto this Microsoft Store icon, or simply go to the search bar and type for Store, and then you will need to double tap on Microsoft Store. Now, once you are inside the Microsoft Store, go to the search bar at the top and search for Teams. Once you're going to search for Teams, you can see the Microsoft Teams right here. Simply click onto this, and here in this particular section, you will see an install button. So, all you will need to do is simply click onto this install button right here. As here you can see in my case, it shows installed at I has already installed the Microsoft Teams in my PC. Now, if for some reason the Microsoft Store does not work for you, what you can do is simply open any web browser like the Google Chrome, in my case, that I have opened, and then in the search bar, simply search for Team Download and hit the enter button, and you will be led to Microsoft.com website. You can click here, and then from here you can click onto this download Microsoft Team for Windows, and once you will do this, you will receive a set of file. You can open it, and the installation will guide you through the entire process. So that's how easily you can download and install the Microsoft Teams in your Windows PC. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.